Hello everyone. Today let's see the most interesting riddle, the missing dollar riddle. Let's see this riddle. Three friends check into a hotel room that costs $30. They each contribute $10, handing a total of $30 to the receptionist. Later, the hotel realizes there was a discount and the actual cost of the room is $25. The hotel manager gives $5 to the bellboy and asks him to return it to the three guests. The bellboy, however, decides to keep $2 for himself and gives $1 back to each guest. Now, each guest has effectively paid $9, right? Since they got $1 back. Earlier they paid $30, but now, as they got $1 back, each of them paid only $9. So in total, 9 times 3 is 27. So now they paid $27. The bellboy has $2, which brings the total 27 plus 2, it's 29. But you all know they originally gave $30. So where did that missing $1 go? This riddle has stumped millions. Can you solve it? 99% of people get this wrong. Can you? Think you're a genius? Pause this video right now and drop your answer in the comments. And let's see if you're a math genius. Alright? Okay. Now, let's see what is the answer to this riddle. As you all can see that they originally paid $30, right? So they originally paid $30 to the receptionist. And now you can see that the cost of the room is $25 of the discount, right? So the original cost was 30, but now with the discount, the cost is only $25. And then you all can see that they each got $1 back, which means now, so the $3 got returned, right, from the bellboy. So which means the original cost is 25 now with the discount, and the bellboy has $2, which totals 27, as they got $3 back. So 27 plus 3 gives again $30, right? So the discounted room is 25. As they got $3 back, it's 28 plus $2 given to the bellboy, so that makes 30. Which means here there is no missing dollar, right? So the mistake comes from mixing costs and refunds in misleading way. So there is no missing dollar, just the misdirection in how we are summing things. Right? Cool, right? So want another math trick puzzle? So let's discuss that in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and trying to solve this challenge with me. If you loved this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you never miss another mind-blowing math fact. I'll see you in the next video where we will explore another fascinating math puzzle. Until then, stay curious and keep solving. Thank you everyone.